Kanega dega Nalari News. Idon ban walan sapi, igi kato ganigi kubol badon kam, jonga tayo.
Menteri Rangba jongka jelau konrad ke sang ma mentag sengi jongka nyau terik no pra arjar arpuai ula ong ba Ynsa plino Shen ke hospital spa Jingthiah ke badai Mawkyrwat South Kesel district ke bala sateng kumba prasnem AA ya ke ba menta kadang don ke jingmang pisah ya ki pus beper ki badai nak ke menta jong ke jingdon kam ketai ke hospital tat ndaladep ban penbiang ya borok ke jingdon kam bat Ynsa plino Hakawai pat keliang kebedai bet kesurok nama plang syawai loy kebedai ke intermediate road kebat themai sorkar keladep mang pisah hadu arpsan klur na kebenta kawat kebaningkong bat ula ongru bayakane ke juhi kesurok kebedai nawai loy Mawkyrwat bat nawai loy senram Ynsa simpat hak kebenta kebaar ula ongru baka jingkhot tendar kebedai kamat kebaningkong kan long ha uni ubenai banwan ya kene menteri Rangba ulah jubab hakilat patai kebor hadin ke balakut no ke jingilang hau moy.
We are almost in the process of sanctioning the post. So as soon as that is done, I think it's almost through. I don't know the exact status of it, but as soon as we do all of that, we would like to open it and make it functional. So though the building and everything is ready, the Honorable MLA, who's also Minister, has said that we need to ensure that not just inauguration, it should be operational itself also. So we're just going to ensure that as soon as all the paperwork for all the sanctioned posts are also done, so we'll inaugurate and operationalize at the same time. Okay, we'll do it at the earliest. So yeah, so therefore we have sanctioned 25 crores. New road, it will be intermediate road up to Veloy in the first phase, and so from Moplang to Veloy will be first, and then after that in the second phase we will take up the remaining part from Veloy to Mawkyrwat and Veloy to Mawkyrwat. So in the first phase it's 25 crores for Moplang to Veloy, which has been sanctioned. I hope that maybe in a month's time the tender will be out for that.